Okay, so once again, Buffalo Wild Wings, Broad Hollow Road, Farmingdale. So somebody decided that they were going to have a car meet, and this is a season closer car meet. So not sure who's showing up to this, but should be kind of interesting. I mean, somebody out here should have cool cars, you know, not just these goddamn fucking Honda Civics and Racers and shit. Actually, come to think about it, at this point I'm starting to lose my enthusiasm. GTIs, ugh. Jesus Christ. Get another shirt. My shirt got a little messy. Had to freshen up just a little bit. Oh, come on. This is Farmingdale. I know you guys can do better than this. You see what I'm talking about? See, that's the beautiful thing about SRT. It's like when SRT shows up, we make the car show. Other than that, all you get is a bunch of like boring BMWs and Honda Civics and Honda minivans with gold rims. It's like, where the SRT products at? Where's the demons? Oh, look at these guys. So you get a bunch of people recording for their Instagram. Everybody recording in vertical portrait mode. Oh yes, it's the Bride of Chucky. More BMWs. More BMWs. Oh, he's putting graphics on his car. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? I call these dollar store meets. I call these, what did I call it last night? I call these are the 99 cents menu meets. Yeah. We were supposed to have a summer meet in Glen Cove, because they usually have one every year. But I know they're going to have one for the, what is it called, Christmas. They're going to have Toys for Thoughts. I definitely want to participate in that one. Yes, it's called Invested Foreigns. Invested Foreigns. That's the Invested Foreigns 99 cents menu meet. Oh man, these Honda Accords, these are my favorite cars in the whole world. Yeah, something tells me I'm not going to be here very long. Team BMW. Let me tell you something. If you eat at Buffalo Wild Wings and you have mango habanero, make sure you do not go to the bathroom and touch yourself until you have gotten that sauce off your fingers. Because right now, I'm burning. I'm feeling a bit of a tingling sensation and a burn down there. Oh, God. All these BMWs would have been cool if this meet was held 2 years ago. Or 3 years ago. Yeah, well, something tells me I'm not going to be here very long. This is boring. Definitely not my best work.
Hey, sick of these niggas. Sick of these niggas. Hire some help. Get rid of these niggas. Sick of these shit. Move the lips. Turn out the bitch. It is what it is.
I could go to the gate and wait for people to come in, which is probably the most logical thing to do. Oh, wow, another Volkswagen. Hey, look over there. They have building materials. That's interesting, right? It's far more interesting than this 99-cent store beat. Uh-oh, watch your undercarriage. A lot of bumps. The throaty roar of a four-cylinder. Whew, burning up down there. God damn, that mango habanero sauce, that shit doesn't quit. Okay. How you enjoying that dynamic range on the iPhone XS Max camera? Huh? $1,600 phone, yo. When that VTEC kicks in, it's gonna be some serious shit. Oh, a Jeep SRT. It's an older model, but I don't think he's here for the meat. I think he's here just to eat some Buffalo Wild Wings. I look in this car show and I see nothing worth liking. I feel like Daniel Plainview in the movie There Will Be Blood. It's like I look at these car show cars and I see nothing worth liking. I hate most foreign cars. What I want is to just earn enough money to put enough mods into my car so I can just leave and just get away from it all. If you saw There Will Be Blood, you'll know what I'm referring to. This is quite boring. Yeah, I think I'm only gonna stick around maybe a couple of minutes and then I'm out of here. It's like the parking lot over here at Buffalo Wild Wings is more popping than that fucking car show. So yeah, we got a V8 what is this? Mercury something over there. Mountaineer. Yeah. Right. Yeah. It's like, yeah, man, I just get a new bigger turbo. I get a 120mm turbo on my STI. Yeah. Uh-oh. Somebody got the Audi with something on top of it. Is he here for the show? Oh, okay, I see. They're arriving in groups. Isn't this interesting? Remember, guys, no burnouts. Respect the property. Ugh. 99 cents meat. Oh, it's a lot of them too. Got a 99-cent meat going on here. Would you like a side of fries with that? Oh, there's a lot of them. Jesus. Well, I guess we'll get to see all of these wonderful, fine automobiles as they come in, right? Uh-oh, somebody's got a lift kit on their Volkswagen. Cool. Wow. Awesome. I'm so excited. This just might be the meat to end all meats. Yeah. Oh, here come the ladies. Oh, boy. And see, the funny thing about, you know, doing cars on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook, it's like there's so many, you know, newbies who want to break into photography with these things. So they show up to all of these car meets, like massive amounts of camera equipment, drones and shit. You know? I don't know if they get paid for photos or what. I don't know if there's like magazines posting them or... All right, come on in. For some reason, I want to call this car right here Harriet Tubman. I'm not sure why.
Yo!
Euro Squad. Okay. Whoa, shit. What's going on? It's hissing at me. Oh, the front of this car looks exactly like a Chrysler 300. From a distance, that's what I thought it was. Euro Squad, huh? Okay. You notice how quiet these cars are? These are the guys always on the highway trying to take a piece of me. No Lamborghinis, no Ferraris. You know what you should do? Turn it sideways. Are you on Instagram live or YouTube?
I only got one person, so I'm not that cool yet.
YouTube?
No, Instagram.
Oh, okay.
I tried YouTube Live. No one likes me in it.
Oh.
They did. That's Instagram.
Yeah, well, keep trying. You'll build up your audience.
That's what I was saying. I was like, you know what? Let me just try it.
Yeah. Why doesn't Instagram allow people to record in landscape mode? But all these damn videos in fucking portrait mode, it's like you got those two huge black bars on the side of the video. Meanwhile, I'm recording 4K, the phone turned sideways. I don't know what that's about. I'll never understand that. Oh, looks like that's all the people here now.
I've seen him. Voodoo did that. Yeah, I was just saying yeah, the mini, the slam, Voodoo did that.
I guess I'll just have to wait for Toys for Thoughts over in Glen Cove in order to get some serious footage. What time is it? It's 3:27. I'm gonna give this a couple more minutes and I'm out. Go those wild wings. Oh yay, more foreign cars, cool. They're coming in by the boatload. Here they come. Uh-oh, watch the bump, watch the bump, watch the bumper. Watch that little chin spoiler.
Yo, let me get some tickets. Yeah, if you want to use a full car in there, grab your shit in. That's my car. There's so many cars. Park in the middle area, or again. Just not on this side, you can park like over here. Or now, you see where that gray Volkswagen is? Or the silver one over there? Over there, there's a fucking silver Volkswagen over there.
See, the biggest problem with these car shows is all the negative camber on the car tires. It's like you got the car tires all turned inside out and stuff. I haven't seen too much of it yet, but you can bet that it's coming. It's like, gee, can I make the front of my car low enough to scrape leaves? Uh-oh, don't cut them off.
When it's beat, it makes it easier to want it. Or it's already beat. It's like you just don't give a fuck.
On the right hand side on the Solara. This is kind of like the movie Fast and Furious, except it's nowhere near as fast and it's nowhere near as furious. I'm probably gonna end up with a copyright ban because there's fucking music behind me, but you know, whatever happens. But I'm not gonna get banned. I'm just they're gonna end up fucking taking the monetization off this video. It's basically unavoidable at this point when they play music in the background. Or at least if they could just get mixes, if they could get mixes of everything and play that real loud, it wouldn't hurt me because it's not copyrighted. But they have to get some damn good mixes, you know? Yeah, you see, I picked a very good location. I can see everything as it comes in. All these fucking music, this rap sucks nowadays. It all sounds like trash. It's like they're not saying shit. Oh, Alexis. Yeah, I love those. May have to start taxing air pressure.
He rides that shit like he's not even on back. He fucking walks as low as he's ride. I don't even think he'll make it. I didn't look at any of
When it's permitted,
these car shows, all you have to do is show up with like a Lamborghini or a Ferrari or a anything actually, and you just take over the entire show. You become the show. Uh-oh, we got a Chrysler minivan coming. Uh-oh, look at this Hyundai Genesis Coupe. I was just talking about those last night, saying how much better that car was as a purchase than the Subaru BRZ at the time. That doesn't mean that I don't like the BRZ. It's just that I think the Hyundai just did more things better. I think the Hyundai was actually a beast when it came out. BRZs, FRSs, Toyota 86s, those cars were all limited to 200 horsepower. They just weren't fast enough. So you got this Neon back here. You got the SRT4. SRT4 Neon. Trogan. Dollar Menu Meats. Would you like a side of fries with your car's meat, sir? Can I interest you in 2 apple pies with your car show, sir? Just pull up to the next window. Thank you, drive through. Interesting. I think I'd like it more if it was blue, but yeah. Oh, she's like, yeah, you're not allowed to come in here with that minivan, so you gotta turn to the left. You're not allowed to come in here with that Honda Pilot, so you gotta turn to the left. Sorry. Neon. You got all this professional camera equipment. Took the wing off. I wouldn't have taken the wing off. I would have kept it.
Your own nigger, bro.
Gosh. I don't know who will be next to come in, but let's just keep on waiting. All right, here comes the bad boys of New York City right here. Here come the bad boys, everybody. Bad boys. Too fast, too furious. Too fast, too furious. I wonder, uh-oh, here we go. What did I tell you about that negative camber? What did I tell you? I told you it was going to show up. I knew it was going to show up. All that negative camber. Oh, no. I knew that negative camber was showing up, man. I just didn't know it was going to show up so quick. Too fast, too furious. Too fast, too furious. Negative camber, here we go. It's not enough for the camber. You gotta have the rim on the outside of the tires, though. Here we go, here we go. Oh yeah, we're starting now, baby. Beat up. Oh yeah, we're starting now, baby. Too fast, too furious. Uh-oh, another Instagrammer. You can tell just because everybody holds the fucking camera's portrait mode. Yeah, I'm not going to be here long. They can have my parking space. I think this is this in a Barth? It is in a Barth. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I'm only gonna be here a little while. I think 5 minutes is probably about the end. I'm out of here. Oh my god. Oh man. It's like, yeah, it's a car show. Yeah, just barely. Whoa, holy fuck. I think there's something wrong with your rotors, bro. Your rotors and your brake calipers seem to be resonating on the high frequency scale, sir. Thank you, Mr. Spock. I never would have noticed. Jesus. It's amazing that that thing is still fucking movable. Usually when you hear a car sound like that, it's like the whole frame is fucked up. But that's deep. That's incredible. All right, let's wait for the next set of car enthusiasts. Since it's been a couple of minutes and nobody new has come out, allow me to take this time to remind you of the reason why I continue to choose. Oh, they came in through the back. Allow me to take this time to remind you why I continue to choose the iPhone and its 4K 60 frame per second camera with high dynamic range over anything made by Samsung. And this is the reason why, because now you're seeing it. I've been recording for about, what, 40 minutes or so. I've been using the phone. It wasn't at 100%. But this new processor, this new CPU that's in this phone, it doesn't overheat as quickly as the iPhone X does. When you're recording in 4K, these phones tend to get very hot very quickly because it requires so much processing power. But this one not only gives you the high dynamic range, but it also gives you the ability to record 512 gigabytes. So all you got to do is add a Mophie onto it, and you are your own professional camera recording studio. And as you can see, of course I bounce around a little bit, but the thing about it is optical image stabilizers on this phone are very damn good. So that's the reason why. So, you know, I was watching a video this morning by Flossie Carter, and he was like, oh yeah, well, there's no reason to upgrade to the iPhone XS Max if you have an X. That's bullshit. The XS Max not only gives you an hour and 50 minutes more of use, but on top of that, you have a superior camera. You have the ability to go up to 512 gigabytes, which you just couldn't do before. And on top of that, it's a far more stable CPU as far as I'm concerned. But the thing about it is Apple doesn't give a fuck about the haters. Apple's going to keep doing exactly what it does. It's going to come out every single year with an update to its iPhone formula. People who can't afford it are going to get mad, and they're going to threaten to go to Android, and everybody else is just going to buy it because they already know that it's going to be fabulous. They know it's going to be awesome. They know it's going to be perfect. And you can say, oh yeah, well, you're an Apple sheep and you don't know what you're talking about, and blah, 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 blah. But the simple fact of the matter is, the proof is in the pudding. This video right here that you're watching, you didn't watch it on some gigantic camera rig like that. And yeah, you'll probably notice that the optical zoom that is on one of those cameras that are like that are much superior to anything on any phone. Thing about it is, I'm pretty sure that rig costs more than this iPhone did. And I can keep this right in my pocket, and I can pull it out every time I see a cop raising his voice to somebody, or every time I see two people looking like they're preparing to fight in a Burger King or a Chuck E. Cheese. And I don't have to get the big camera rig out of my truck. And it's like, you know, it's just so much more efficient and convenient.
Why do you think I could get away with white people?
Yeah, so, wow. Yeah, so basically, here you are, here you have it, the Buffalo Wild Wings dollar menu meat. And this is, they call it a season closer. Yeah, I would have called this the last day of school closer, except this isn't the last day of school. Or they could have called it the extra value menu closer, but it's, you know, it's October. We call it the Halloween meat. Well, I'll be looking forward to Toys for Thoughts over in Glen Cove. That'll come by the end of December. I'll be waiting for that. That's always nice. You get far more exotics. Basically, it's the same old McLarens, Lambos, Ferraris, you know, how we all came to love. This guy's still driving around that. Oh, is it that hard to find a part? That's a LS600, yeah. Lexus brought that thing out, and Mercedes clobbered them. But I will say this, you know, for $150,000, when this thing came out, it was definitely a better buy than the Tesla P100D Ludicrous if racing people wasn't your main goal. Because if it was about comfort, I have to say the Lexuses are definitely more comfortable than the Tesla. However, the Mercedes had all of them beat. Mercedes hybrid S550 or S450 or S-Class hybrids in general, they got you killed. They absolutely just have you killed, you know? But that's just what it is. I'm about to get out of here. Infinity M45, I believe. I think that's a 45, but most of these people debadge their cars, so you don't even know which one it is. It could be the 30-something with an aggressive kit, and you wouldn't know because it's debadged, but whatever. Everybody's got the camera. DSLR. Digital SLR cameras. Everybody's got one except me. I'm walking around with a damn cell phone.
Tell me you used to play football, man.
Nose guard, defense nose guard.
There you go.
Yep. That was another thing I was thinking. I was sitting in, what was it, Buffalo Wild Wings. And I was having some wings, and I was thinking to myself, like everybody's there watching the NFL game. And I was thinking to myself, you remember when all those people were talking shit about banning Nike? And you remember, like, last year they were talking all that shit about banning the NFL? I don't think they really got anywhere with that, because I still see Nike, and I still see the fucking NFL. And it occurs to me that it's like all these people are sitting on their ass watching a football game, just eating while people are fucking trying to hurt each other. We had 2 college-level football players die recently. One was 22, and another one was like 31, and they died of like, you know, typical just injuries or whatever that must have malingered, and then they just passed out and died. And I'm thinking to myself, you know what? Football is like a disease at this point. You know? I used to play defense nose guard semi-pro until I broke this fucking finger right here. This finger right here. And when I broke this fucking finger, I was like, fuck this. I was like, I'm not doing this shit no more. There's easier ways to make over $100,000. I mean, yeah, you make millions of dollars, but do you get to enjoy it if you have to shoot yourself in the head because of the migraine headaches? I don't really think you get to enjoy it. It's like, do you get to enjoy multiple millions of dollars if your knees are fucked up, or your shins are broken, or your toes are fucked up? No, you really don't. I'd rather make my money using my brain. Infinities. Okay, well, I think that's about it. There's really nothing to look at here. So, all right, well, I guess that does it for the dollar menu meat. Yeah, I think that, oh, what is this? Wranglers. Yeah, you see, nobody banned the NFL. They're watching that shit. They're watching it on their phones when they're not watching it in Buffalo Wild Wings. I think I'll take a picture so I can have a nice thumbnail.
Yeah, I be popping this shit, man, while I'm kicking this shit for real. You know what I'm saying? Dripping for real.
Maybe I should get a picture with Buffalo Wild Wings in the background.
Yeah.
all this competing noise. Take another thumbnail. Yeah, I'll use the better one for my YouTube. Interesting. Definitely looks better than the Trackhawk. That's kind of funny. Sounds pretty good too. I'm looking at all the stuff, the side skirts, the wheel flares and stuff. It's like, why didn't they do that with the Trackhawk and make it really, really stand out? They just didn't even bother. And that's either a 17 or an 18, judging from the fog light. Very strange.